สวยมากค่ะ
Today is lovely day. We have planned to go out.
วันนี้ก็เป็นวันพุธแล้วนะคะอีก3วันก็จะได้บินกลับไทยแล้ววันนี้ผู้ชายหยุดงานก็จะพาไปดูวิวสวยๆไปกันเลยค่ะ
Now we see people sell the food. We hungry. I have to order something.
เบอร์เกอร์กับวิวสวย
What we got there, Rose?
ๆเบอร์เกอร์
Big burger. Laura's diner. Wait. I want to see you eat. Done. Pretty big, isn't it? Burger with pineapple and cheese.
just be everywhere
Okay, now we just walk, go down a little bit and have to save because the fall is not good.
hello
Hello, come on through.
wow look at that very nice view สวยมากเลยค่ะว้าวที่นี่ก็สวยตอนนี้อยู่ที่น้ำตกฮาริบอนนะคะด้านหลังของเราค่ะสวยมากค่ะ so beautiful I love that bye see you next year come back again
What happened?
nothing I just go down
Move it on this side.
wow I like this place so much so beautiful
Yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Not that way then.
I like this over there and I like this water
Go back this way then.
and I like stone maybe we walk this way and go back to the
Yeah.
car
Let's try that.
good for exercise how many for water here waterfall here
I think there's 2 waterfalls here.
oh really this is number 2
No, this is number 1.
where number 4 too
About 1 million miles that way. me about your shoes, Rose. Every time we go for a walk, what kind of shoes do you wear? Huh?
Many times when I have shoes like this, it's like to take me walk around and very far and very high.
Yeah, look at those heels. Great. Just right for waterfall walking, yeah?
Yes. Same snow before.
Yeah.
Everywhere here, but we need to walk this way because we don't want to fall down.
These steps are like a waterfall.
Open please. Open please.
Oh, too late.
Follow Dave. We stop car is not far now. Just maybe 10 minutes for walk.เราจอดรถอยู่ตรงโน้นนะคะ แต่ตอนนี้เราก็จะเดินไปฝั่งนี้ ดูนะคะก็คือว่าถนนจะประมาณนี้ การผจญภัยของเรา
Oh, you very nearly. I think you landed with the other foot. Let's have a look at the other one.
This one.
Oh, you did okay. Not bad. Oh, I was going to show the exciting bit and then you went another way. Never mind, I'll do the exciting bit. Dun, dun, dun. Looks worse than it is. Got to a muddy patch here. So rather than walk through that, Rose is going under the tree. Amazing. I went up here. It's actually a bit steeper than it looks on camera. How am I going to get down? Just maybe just keep walking. Keep going up. That goes up, must come down. Ah, here we go.
Look this tree.
Oh, that was muddy.
Look this tree, beautiful and small. Thailand don't have like this. Next to the water like this. Don't have.
No. Right, nearly there. Little bridge.
For my remember. Give me a shoe now. Oh yes, wait. It's silent.
Yay, we survived. You enjoy that?
Excellent. Yes.
Had a good time?
Yes, we have a good time walk. Maybe 40 minutes. It's very good.
Do you remember the name of the place?
The name is Waterfall and
Talybont.
Talybont Waterfall.
Very good.
Yes, it have two falls.
Right.
We walk here 30 minutes now. It's finished. Can you subscribe and follow me? Bye.